So unions have clashed with police outside the Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital in Soweto. They're demanding that all frontline healthcare workers be given personal protective equipment. Our reporter Soweto was in Soweto. She's back now in the office. Joins us live from the newsroom. So Seho, we heard the president talking about everybody getting a personal protective gear, but that is not happening according to the people we saw protest outside the Chris Hani Hospital today.
That is true, Shahan. Good afternoon. So the people that protested today are various unions that are also part of the nurses. So the nurses form part of some of the unions that were protesting today. And a lot of them, they spoke extensively about how there are still no protective equipment for those that are actually the frontline workers, the nurses, the doctors, that actually put their lives at risk all the time. And what you're seeing there, Shahan, are just the clashes that took place between the police and those unions. What happened was, of course, now when they're reading out the memorandum, they did not maintain a full social distancing situation, and then the police came in and accused one of the nurses of being the organizer, and so then all the others came in defense of that one particular nurse, and this is when then the clash took place between the police and the unions. But the main thing really is for them that there are more and more workers who do not have that the very important PPEs.
So what's the hospital management or the health department saying about this? Because we know that we've been promised several times that these workers will get what is necessary.
Well, we do know that there have been talks of there being PPEs within the country and that were actually brought in, and the unions have said that they actually do not want for there to be PPEs brought in to the country, that these can actually be made right here in South Africa. And the hospital management, they stayed in behind the gates, behind the closed gates there at Chris Hani Baragwanath, but they are saying that as unions, they are saying that they are demanding that they actually get action from the hospital management, from Gauteng Health. They say that they would like for President Cyril Ramaphosa himself to actually address unions and those that are frontline workers and actually put himself where they have to be on a daily basis, right there trying to treat those who have got the coronavirus.
All right, we can leave it right there. Our reporter Soweto following that story for us. We will continue our extensive COVID-19 coverage in a moment. Stay with us.